welcome back to my channel. My name is Vicky Mugambi. If you're new here, please remember to subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, please like and share, and nawapenda sana, karibu sana. So in this channel we do a bit of real estate and a bit of commercial modeling to make yourself paid through commercial modeling and other side hustles. And today we're gonna take up a new topic, which is transcribing, or rather online side hustles. There's so many online side hustles that you could do, from virtual assistant to online writing, which is article writing, transcribing, which we're going to talk about today, and academic writing. But today we are going to be focusing on transcription. In fact, if anything, I've been taking classes. I've been paying someone to teach me about transcription so that you can learn from me for free. Imagine, sinawapenda na hookups. Though if you want to learn about transcription, you can go to Tess Ogamba's channel. She's a YouTuber who mainly talks about transcribing and online jobs and side hustles, and will explain to you how to make money if you have a phone, a laptop, and free Wi-Fi, like I am. Then there is Bahati on TikTok. She is actually my teacher, and she's been teaching me about transcription jobs and other jobs and academic writing. And she has so much. She's called Bahati. I'll check out her second name. But ni Bahati. Unaweza type to Bahati online jobs on TikTok, you'll find her. Or Lucy. I know her also as Lucy. Lucy Bahati or Bahati TikTok. Yes, so what is transcription? Transcription is the translation of audio files or video files into written text. So there are some companies out there that hire Kenyans or hire from across the world for you to listen to content that they send you, and then you transcribe for them and or translate them into text. There's a whole process to it, and these companies, they do not just hire. Just because you can register, they will not just take you. It's not a very easy process, but it's not a very hard process, though my experience is. So one of the companies that hire transcribers from Kenya is GoTranscript. I have tried GoTranscript myself severally. The reason why I'm saying severally is because, severally, yes, severally, it's because they do not just hire. Even though they have instructions that you need to follow, grammar is really key, and how they translate grammar is not always the way you learned it in school. Some, depending on where the company is from, you can find companies from UK that want you to transcribe your English exactly how UK people speak. But each and every one of these companies have their instructions on how they want you to transcribe. So GoTranscript, they had like 10 questions that I had to answer, and some of these questions I got them right. But however, I do not know which one of these questions that I got wrong, because I know it's probably the translation of the slang of the American English, because GoTranscript only uses American English. So which is another country that hires from across the world, especially Kenyans, for transcribers? I've said GoTranscript, there is Transcribe Me, there is Happy Scribe. Let me just mention them. I've written them here. There is Fever. There is Fever. There is triple A transcription. There is daily transcriptions. There is Happy Scribe. There is Verbit. There is QA World. There is Go Transcript. And there's Scribing. And there's many others, but I'll talk about these ones because they're the ones that I have checked out myself. And then there's Transcribe Me and Transcribe You. Um, they are more or less the same, but they have different questions. Some have a set of long questions, but each of these companies have a test file or a practice file that you can practice with before you do the test. My advice to you, if you're a beginner, you do you practice first how to transcribe before actually trying out the test. Some companies you can only try the test once. There's some other companies like Good Transcript, you can try 3 times. I tried twice, I failed. I said I will not try again until I'm actually sure of my um answers before I submit. Something else that you need to know is how these companies pay. Some pay as little as $2 per audio minute. Others go as high as even um, $500, which in Kenya is between 200 shillings to about $50,000, 60,000, 50,000 Kenya shillings. You can make money from these transcription jobs. It requires a lot of discipline. It requires a lot of listening skills. It's a whole task that looks easy or sounds easy, but it's not that easy. So, in order for us to go on, please remember to subscribe. I'll be going into details in each and every single one of these companies, and I will tell you my experience with them and how to go about it. After we're done with transcription job, we can go forward to other online writing gigs. Sorry, I keep belching. It's because we are two and my nose be nosing. My nose be nosing. My nose be nosing. Nowadays I can't reach the camera. I used to reach the camera. Now I can't reach because there's somebody in between me and my future. Yes. Good night.